NMI-Q journey started back in November 2021. By working together, we can expand the knowledge base that we can all work from. By collaborating, we can peer review what we're doing. This will offer government, academia and industry the confidence they need to make really good decisions.
No one national metrology institute will be able to cover the breadth of this challenge. And so working together with our partners, we can develop these methodologies that are going to make so much difference and accelerate that innovation.
The NMI-Q initiative will support the emerging quantum economy through robust, comparable and scalable measurement science. It will coordinate development efforts by national metrology institutes to share best measurement practice and provide input into international standardization that is timely, application relevant and trusted.
So NMI-Q engages with the quantum industry by really listening to what kind of technologies they are developing, what are their barriers to innovation, and really where we can use our expertise to help them accelerate the development of their technologies.
I think the quantum economy is really emerging. There are startups dedicated to quantum applications. There are some companies having peripheral devices for quantum computing or quantum sensors or quantum communication. But there is not yet an industry that calls itself quantum industry. But by having NMI-Q as an anchor of trust, because we are all metrology institutions, then industry will, together with us, may take the endeavor to go into a quantum technology. So we will be maybe the nucleus of a quantum ecosystem for industry in all our countries, and this would be great.
I think the signing ceremony is actually a culmination of a partnership that has been in the works for the last 4 years. I believe this collaboration will work, and it will be guided by the speed at which we need to get the results accomplished in the next 3 to 4 years.
So the signing of this MOU really does help us in terms of putting a framework in place that makes it easier for us to identify our priorities and our partners' priorities and find areas where either we can complement one another's work or we can take advantage of work that others are doing that we may not have the resources to do.
The NMI-Q collaboration is really important for trust, reliability and confidence in an emerging technology area like quantum.
I think one aspect of NMI-Q that's very important is that it provides reliable measurements that really sets a foundation for emerging quantum industry and quantum application. And I think this is something for the future to come to be very important.
Quantum technologies are developing, and if we want them to become stronger, to become industrial, we need to share standards, references, and that's what we're going to do in NMI-Q.
Hopefully, the ultimate goal is to have trustable by design products. And so the suggestion is to take care of metrology standards from the very beginning of the stage of development, in such a way to start with the right attitude towards effective products that can be really uptaken by the market.
NMI-Q is representing a change of focus for our NMIs. We are going from quantum for metrology to metrology for quantum.
NMI-Q will stand as an important example and lasting legacy of how academia and research institutions can step forward to make tangible, industry-facing contributions.
I hope that the legacy of NMI-Q is very similar to the legacy of the BIPM and organizations like VAMAS, where you get an enduring capability which continues to support these types of technologies well into the future. I mean, the BIPM is 150 years old. Maybe NMI-Q will survive for 150 years.
We're enormously excited about the potential of the NMI-Q, and it isn't every day that your initiative is signed off at a G7 summit.